Today we will discuss what is the rating process and for which fibers it is used, and next we will also discuss what are its types. So knitting process is widely used for the natural fibers like flax fiber or linen fiber, second hemp fiber and jute fiber. Rating process. What is rating process? The rating process is a critical step in production of natural fibers like flax, hemp, and jute. It involves the controlled rotting of plant stacks in order to separate the fibers from the woody stems and surrounding tissues. There are different methods of rating. So the purpose of rating process is to separate the fibers from the woody stems and surrounding tissues of the plant. So different methods are used. They have different complications and different applications. First is water rating. The plant stalks are submerged in water, typically in a pond or slow moving streams for several days or weeks. The microorganisms break down the pectins that bind the fibers to the stem. So this process, water retting, is cheapest process. It takes sometimes few days or a few weeks, but it is easy and cheapest retting process. Second is dew retting. The stalks are spread out on the ground where the dew or rainfall provide the moisture needed for the microbial action. This method take a longer than water rating and is dependent on the weather conditions. It is dependent on weather condition and it has also longer time frame. Third is chemical rating. Chemicals such as sodium hydroxide or other enzymes are used to speed up the rating process. This method is faster but can be more expensive or less environment friendly. As the chemical process we have previously discussed, it is comparatively a costly process, and second, due to utilization of chemicals in the rating process, it is less environment friendly process. Fourth is enzyme rating. Enzyme rating, specific enzymes are added to break down the plant material, which can be more controlled and eco-friendly as compared to chemical rating. As we have discussed in previous slide, chemical rating is less eco-friendly, but enzyme rating is more controlled and eco-friendly as compared to chemical rating. The goal of rating. The goal of rating is to loosen the fibers so that they can be extracted more easily and then processed into the products like linen, rope or paper. So this was the lecture about the rating process. We have discussed about the fibers involved in the rating process. The fibers are like linen fiber, flax fiber, linen and flax almost same fibers, jute fiber and hemp fiber. Further, we have discussed about what is the process our purpose of retting process to loosen the fibers and extract from the stem tissues from the woody plants. This is and further we have also discussed the different types. First is water rating. Second, we have discussed about dew rating, that is dependent on rain. Third, we have discussed chemical rating, it is less eco-friendly. And the fourth, we have discussed enzyme rating, that is comparatively eco-friendly uh, process. So we will see you in next video with another lecture. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.